What if I told you the difference between a quiet generator and a loud one isn't just decibels on a spec sheet? It's the difference between a system you can live with every day and one that slowly drains your comfort and patience over time? Because in off-grid living, noise isn't just sound. It becomes part of your environment. It affects sleep, focus, and stress levels. And that's why quiet generators aren't a luxury category. They are a quality of life category disguised as equipment. At the core, all generators produce noise because they rely on internal combustion engines. But how that noise is controlled varies massively. A quiet generator is engineered to reduce vibration, smooth combustion, and control airflow noise so energy production becomes less intrusive. Let's start with inverter generators. They work by producing AC power, converting it to DC, and then inverting it back to stable AC output. This allows the engine speed to adjust dynamically based on load. When demand is low, the engine slows down, reducing noise and fuel consumption. They are also designed with acoustic containment. Most modern units use fully enclosed casings that trap and absorb sound before it escapes. Now compare that to traditional open-frame generators. These run at a constant engine speed regardless of load, producing a consistent, harsh noise. The lack of enclosure means more engine noise escapes directly. While cheaper per watt, they are far less suitable for long-term residential living. Now let's talk about diesel quiet generators. Diesel engines are naturally louder due to compression ignition and heavier mechanical forces. However, with proper soundproof enclosures and vibration isolation mounts, they can operate within acceptable noise ranges for off-grid installations. A significant portion of perceived loudness comes from vibration traveling through the frame and into the ground of surrounding structures. Quiet generators use rubber mounts and balanced internal components to reduce this. When controlled, even the same engine becomes noticeably less intrusive. Now let's talk about placement. Even a moderately quiet generator can become disruptive if placed too close to living spaces or reflective surfaces. Many off-grid setups use dedicated generator sheds or insulated enclosures to further reduce noise impact without modifying the unit itself. Manufacturers typically measure noise levels under controlled conditions. But in real off-grid environments, loads and weather vary. This is why system design matters. A noisy generator might be tolerable for an hour, but over days, it becomes a constant stressor. Inverter generators also tend to be more fuel efficient. Lower RPM means less fuel consumption and less noise simultaneously. Generators do not stay quiet forever if neglected. Poor maintenance leads to increased vibration, uneven combustion, and clogged filters. One mistake is expecting silent operation. Quiet generators are reduced noise systems, not noise-free systems. Manage your expectations. Quiet generators are about making off-grid systems livable. They represent a shift from purely functional energy to human-centered design. The real takeaway: a quiet generator is defined by how invisibly it integrates into your environment while providing reliable energy. If you want more deep, practical breakdowns on off-grid energy systems and real-world independence, subscribe to Off-Grid Life Tech.